dad's brand new channel called Shah and Son Food Adventure. Me and my dad always cook in the kitchen, and today we're going to show you one of my favorite dishes. It's called butter prawn. Butter prawn, there's so many ways to cook this, but here's my way of cooking it. Here are the ingredients. Here we have our tiger prawn. Make sure you clean the outside and the inside. Here I cut off the tail a bit, and that's my tiger prawns. I have roughly 8 pieces. Here is my 4 chopped cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 chili bird that has been chopped, and 1 teaspoon of salt, egg white, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Here is our 4 clovers that hasn't been chopped yet, our bird chili that hasn't also been chopped yet. Here is our curry leaf that makes your dish more flavorful. Here is the gravy, which is basically evaporated milk.
And let's go cook.
Let's go cooking.
First we put our salt and mix well. When that has mixed well, we put some egg white, mix well again. When that has also mixed well, we put our flour. And mix. Once your prawn has been thoroughly mixed, we then fry. Here I have the prawn that's about to be fried. I have been trained to be able to handle with the oil and the heat by my father, but my father is frying it anyway.
So make sure that you cook one by one the prawn, so they wouldn't be stick all together at the same time. So what else, Ayman?
Well, once they are golden brown, you are able to take them out and you can move on to the next step.
That's good.
Now we have to double fry. The reason we double fry our prawn is because it makes our prawn extra crispier when we eat it.
So Ayman, after this, another 2 more minutes, the prawn are ready cooked, because we don't want the prawn to be overcooked, otherwise it will feel inside of prawn will be dry. So the reason why we bring out the prawn to the colander to reduce the oil, and then we cook it again to make it, like you said just now, to make it crispy.
So now we put 1 tablespoon of oil and we mix the butter around. Now we add our chopped garlic. We mix well. Now we put our curry leaf. Mix. Now we put our chili bird to give some more spice to our dish.
So try not to burn the garlic Yeah, man?
Yeah. So now when that's done,
So basically to make sure that the fragrance from the garlics and the curry leaf, the aroma. Yeah?
yeah,
And last but not least,
our evaporated milk.
yeah.
Now that's making the gravy. So now we are going to put some red chili, but don't put too much, otherwise it will be too spicy. But you can put as much as you like depending on your taste. Now we put the prawn in, and we make sure that we coat the gravy with the prawn. So now the gravy will go onto the prawn. And now again you'll be able to smell the aroma of the prawn and the butter and the garlic and the curry leaf. Now the heat is very hot and there's smoke coming out, so make sure to get the parent or guardian doing it.
It's done.